Hi, I'm Ed Rataj, Managing Director of Compensation Consulting for CBIZ Human Capital Services. Today we're going to talk about healthcare reform and the impact on compensation. And specifically, there are four areas that I see healthcare reform impacting compensation. Regardless of how you feel about the topic politically, it's going to change the dynamic, not only in a benefit context, but certainly in compensation. The first impact that I see is it's going to change the mix of pay for employers. The economic value that most employees receive from their employer is made up of some mixture of compensation and benefits. As the benefits market changes for better or worse, that mix of pay will change in the marketplace. The second place where I see compensation being impacted is specifically a reversal of history. If you look at the history of employee benefits in this country, it was really after World War II when there were compensation freezes across the board mandated by the federal government that employers started to get into the employee benefits business. That and there are some positive tax implications. As benefits become more homogeneous, the way that employers will be able to differentiate themselves in the market going forward will be more based on compensation than it has historically been, more based on benefits. Organizations also need to be aware that pay increases throughout the course of the year can change the eligibility or the subsidies available to employees, and so they need to take account of that pay increases have broader implications than they have in the past. Finally, the law mandates both coverage and penalties for lower paid employees that employers may have today. In effect, this will have the impact of increasing the minimum wage for these employees when you look at the total compensation package of both compensation and benefits. This can have a broad impact on the economy. At CBIZ, we have a healthcare reform analyzer tool that can help look at the impact on your organization. For more information, feel free to contact me directly.